So, quick video. A review of the Princeton Tech Remix Pro MPLS. This is actually a piece of shit. So this is supposed to be the best headlamp that you can get with money. This is issued to Navy SEALs. Now I use it for 5 minutes. This switcher collapsed, right? And there is some sort of weird stuff close to the main light, and also brand new. This is brand new completely, just like I used for 5 minutes. Also here you can actually see some very bad production kind of left over on the plastic. Button completely collapsed. This is incredible. It's completely gone. Piece of shit. Do not buy it. Do not buy it. This is incredible. Like this is used to Navy SEALs. It's like, where is the quality control here, right? So what happened to a Navy SEAL that he needs this to work, and it breaks down after like 2 fucking minutes. Yeah, incredible, incredible. So please do not buy this piece of shit. Bye. Have a nice one.